Hello, dear friends. I am Nisar Aman, and you are watching my YouTube channel Learn with Nisar. In today's video, I am going to talk about the HKBU International Writers Workshop 2026 in Hong Kong. So, all the details that we need to cover related to this scholarship are included in this video. Before starting this video, I would like to request you kindly subscribe and press bell icon for more such kind of useful videos by Learn with Nisar. Let's start the video without wasting your time. So, from very basic information, as we always start, the host country for this scholarship program is going to be Hong Kong, and its location in Hong Kong is going to be the Baptist University, as the program name is HKBU, which is Hong Kong Baptist University, and this is the International Writers Workshop 2026 in Hong Kong, and it is going to be around 4 weeks duration, and the most important is benefit is that it is going to be a fully funded program, and it is going to commence from March 2nd to March 29th 2026. So this period reflects 4 weeks duration, and its deadline to apply is going to be 7th September 2025. Let's explore further details. So, after knowing the basic information, you are now going to explore financial benefits, whether it is going to be affordable for you or not. So, we have three financial benefits listed here, including return airfare tickets, and you are going to get the accommodation to live there throughout the Writers Workshop program in Hong Kong, and stipend per day you will be receiving in this workshop 2026 in Hong Kong. So this is going to be a great opportunity for you to explore Hong Kong and meet the like-minded people, as you are also going to get the financial benefits which are going to cut your costs approximately to 90%. And if you want to enjoy further events, then you can bear your own costs, but all the remaining costs are going to be uh, uh, provided to you in this workshop that are needed for your necessary living. Now, what is the eligibility criteria to apply for this workshop? We have a few criteria specified. First of all the students, aspirants, or candidates from around the world can apply. There's no restriction on any country that this is restricted to apply for this workshop 2026 in Hong Kong. But the aspirant or candidate or the student must have published one book, at least one book you must have published, as the workshop is about the Writers International Program, and you must be resident outside of Hong Kong, not in Hong Kong, okay? And then fourthly, you must have good command over English or Chinese language, and you must be committed to attend the entire workshop program from 2nd March to 29th March 2026. Lastly, you have to attend the literary festival during the final week, as the your this workshop program will be about to end, so you will be attending this festival, okay? So these are the eligibility criteria related points. If you find you are eligible to apply, then the step comes that how can you apply for this International Writers Workshop 2026. Here, it is a very easy process that you have to send all your application materials in a single PDF file to this email. You can note down this email, IWW at hkbu.edu.hk. And the deadline is going to be 7th September, as earlier I mentioned, and the results will be uploaded by the late October 2025, and the link to apply is displayed to you on the screen. I will also try to add it in the description of this video. So this was all about the HKBU International Writers Workshop program. And if you think still there's any query, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try my best to reply you as soon as possible. See you next video. Till that, take care.